Guys, today I'm going to share few important tips before you start putting money in share market. Tip number 1, identify your goal and invest accordingly. Tip number 2, identify the sector where you want to invest the money. Tip number 3, select the companies with good fundamentals because in long run they'll give you better returns. Tip number 4, avoid emotional decision. This is very important tip if you ask me. Tip number 5, find out reliable and trusted broker who can give you right advice at all the time. Next tip is keep on analyzing, or you can say tracking your stock, correct? And remember one thing, shares with the low prices are not always better. You have to check the proper market conditions and then only you start putting money. And the last tip is book profit as per your goal, okay? Because we have set goal in first step, so book your profit accordingly so that you will enjoy the stock market and you will take some money. Thank you so much.